How practical cover pages are, right? In a past video, we learned how to add nice pre-created cover pages to our Word documents. Now we'll show you how to create your own personalized cover page. Arlene here. Welcome to Burn to Learn. So we have our document, a report to which we want to add our own cover page. We'll start doing so by clicking the Insert menu and adding a shape to a blank page. We click on Shapes and let's select a rectangle with rounded corners. And we fit it in our page. Let's go ahead and give it some style. We right-click on it to choose a color. Under Style, we have a variety of options. We like this subtle effect gold. Under the Fill option, you can also choose from many solid colors, as well as from the Outline option. We'll choose dark blue. Let's now insert another shape, a rectangle. Under Style, we'll give it an intense effect orange this time. So now our cover page is starting to get shape. If you're liking this video, please give it a like. Now let's add text boxes. We can do so by clicking the Draw Text button. We draw it wherever we want to inside our shapes. We don't want any fill in it, so we edit our text box by going up to the Shape Style section. Under Shape Fill, we select No Fill. Shape Outline, No Outline. And our text will be Title. We right-click for more options. We want our font size to be 48, and we can even style our text up in the Word Art Style section. For instance, in the Text Effects option, I want to give it a tight reflection effect. We'll add another text box. Same format as the former, and the text will be Monthly Report March. And this time the font size will be 24. Nice! This is what we wanted. Let's now save it. And we do so by selecting all the elements in the cover that we created. We click on an element and holding down the Control key, we click on the rest of the elements to select them. When you have selected all of them and are ready to save your cover page, click the Insert menu, Cover Page, and Save Selection to Cover Page Gallery. You're gonna give a name to your new cover page. Let's call it My Own Cover Page. Let's leave it on the Cover Pages gallery, and we'll type Monthly Reports in the description box. We click OK, and now it's saved. Now you know how to create, personalize, and save your own Microsoft Word cover page. We have just showed you a brief example of how to create a personalized cover page. You can always play with more shapes, text boxes, styles, colors, and much more of your own originality. Want to see how will our cover page look on our future report? Let's see a preview in a new document. File, New Blank Document, and now we go to the Insert button, Cover Page, we scroll down and there it is. We click on it and there our own personalized cover page is.